Yo, what's up guys, Rexter here, and today I got surprised by my fiance. She got me the best present I could get for my BRZ, and I'm just gonna show you right now. This is insane. So here it is. She got me front and rear bash bars and a heart handle, an oh shit handle for you to hold on to, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it in that position or not. We're gonna find out what I'll do with it later. But man, this is like imagine coming home from work. I worked on my birthday. Today is my birthday. I just turned 24 years old. I come home to this, which is just amazing. I cannot believe she actually went ahead and got me this. Dude, I just want to unwrap it. It looks so cool. There's so much welding going on. Obviously, that's for the rear right there, probably. Oh man, I just gotta open this up. This is insane. So I've always wanted bash bars for my car, and she ordered this back on October 5th. I crashed my car October 10th. So this all happened October 10th. Obviously, if I had bash bars on the car, that probably would still happen, obviously. But man, this is gonna save my car in the long run. Man, let's go ahead and unwrap it. Alright, here we go. That's all taped up in there. That is sick. Alright, let's cut this. I'm gonna try not cut it in the metal, obviously. Let's extend it. Oh man, this thing's so sharp. Oh man, this is so awesome. This is like Christmas morning. Except for that's next month. Oh man. Wow. Oh my god. This is insane. What? Dude, this design is so sick. And this box is pretty heavy. I gotta find out what's in there too. Wow. That is packaged very well. That is insane. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the zip ties, I think. Alright, they are now fully apart. I have bolts on the bottom of this, so that's pretty cool. This is for the rear. Yo, what company is this? Yeah. Fabrication. Yeah. So TFF, True Focus Fabrication is where these came from. Man, that is sick. Alright, this is the one I'm most excited about though. Wow. I love the way that the front end looks on this. It just looks mean. It reminds me of the BRZ as well. It says that BRZ look to it to me. That is sick. Now obviously for the rear, this is so I can jack up the car from the rear so I can swap out those back tires really fast at the track. So when I go to drift events, this is gonna help out a lot. It's gonna save me a lot of time. I cannot wait. No, this is insane that she got this for me. Like this is crazy, dude. I'm gonna find out what this is inside this box now because I noticed the ends to this don't have any plating to them. And I don't know why, so I'm just gonna open this up and look. It says Heather on it with BRZ, which is funny because she's the one who ordered this back in October 5th. Oh, we got some decals up in here. Well, actually a lot of stickers. A lot. Oh, wow. And a letter. It says, Heather, I hope you enjoy your new FRS BRZ bash bars. We appreciate your support and hope you can make it out to the track soon. True Focus Fabrication. Dude, that is so nice. It came with a 10% off next order as well. If I need to order anything from them. Which, look at this quality of the welds. I'm gonna show you guys the quality of the welds soon. I'm just gonna finish opening this stuff up. We got some gummy bears up in here or something with these. There you go. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Now this must be the mounting plates. Wow, look at this. I was on my tooth. One more. So these are the mounting points to the car, and they have quick release things on them. I don't know how they work yet. I guess I gotta figure it out. I think they just kind of pulls out. Pull them out. Just like that. And so you can detach your bash bar super fast. Like if you need to get it out of the way to work on the front of your car at any point at all. Like the oil cooler, or maybe if your turbo's intercooler and all that stuff. Anything that's right there behind the bash bars you can easily get to. That is really sick that they have quick release bash bars on this. That's a feature that I wouldn't even think about that. I would never even think about that. Wait, does the rear one have it too? Yeah, the rear is not quick release, but that doesn't matter at all to me because the rear, you can't really take off the rear bash bar. There's nothing really back there to take it off for. So that's fine with me, but this is the True Focus Fabrication welds right here. These welds are top-notch, high-quality welds. I would definitely recommend buying anything from them. Obviously, shop local too, but these are pretty sick. Look at that welding. That's so nice. That's how all of them are like. Just nice and smooth. Great welds. Great coloring on it too. This is just insane, guys. Insane. I cannot believe these are quick release. Look at the welds even on the quick release mounting point. Like, look at these welds, dude. These welds are nice. Wow. I love the bottom of them, how like they're like heated up or something. Man, that is so sick. Yeah, so here it is with my car. That is insane. I still can't believe she did this. She wants me to put them on right this second. Well, I don't know if I can do that. I'm gonna go ahead and like put this in front of it and see like what it looks like in front. I guess we'll start with the rear first. So it's just gonna go right up here. And you guys know what that means. I am cutting the bottom part of my bumper. So this whole thing is coming out. This rear diffuser, whatever you want to call this thing, and this light, it's all coming out. I don't think that's a light, it's just a reflector. So that's gonna be bolted up right there. It's kind of hard to hold it. I'm so happy about the jack point. That's the best thing about this rear bash bar. Obviously the bash bar is gonna save you, even when you're wall tapping or something like that. Man, I cannot wait. This thing is gnarly. So for this, it can either be hanging up like right up in here, or it can be hanging up like more in the front. So it'd be dangling down like right in front of the mirror like this, but obviously on the inside. So it's either right there or right here. So that is sick. So that's all the mess that came with unboxing this. Let's go ahead and throw it up in front and see what it looks like. Kind of, these little things are poking out pretty far. I don't want to hit my car though. So this is the closest I can get without it scratching my paint. But so that's just gonna go right up in there. And it looks like I'm gonna have to cut the front bumper as well because I don't want this thing to be poking. I want you guys to be able to see it when you look at the front end. So I think these little side things, no matter what, I'm kind of covered up. However, if I cut out the front end, like if I'm looking at it from this angle, you'll definitely see it. And the corners and all that, you'll definitely see it once everything's cut out. I'm glad that there's no jack point in the front because this car already has a jack point built in. Like it's just like right below where the motor's at, there's a jacking point. So I'm glad there's no jacking point on this one. She did great on picking this out. I know that I've talked to her about bash bars for like the longest time now though. But man, I can't go over this. You guys wanna look at the welds again? These are some of the welds that they got going on. They're just super clean. Even like the logo one is really clean. Dude, this thing is so nice. It's crazy how cool it looks. Man, it's gonna save my car. I already know one day it's gonna definitely save my car. When I go to the track, I'm probably just gonna take my bumper completely off when I go to drift days. Because why run a front bumper and run the front bumper when you have a bash bar that'll take all the heat? So I might even run no rear bumper as well. Because why have the rear bumper get all messed up when you got the bash bar? I still cannot believe she got me that. It's gonna look so good on the car. I cannot wait. So that was my bash bars unboxing video. And I might be putting them on right now. I'm not even too sure. But this is just amazing. I have the best fiance in the world. Hands down. No one can compete. This is crazy. And we're gonna be getting married next year, which is gonna be awesome. I love her so much, and this is just nuts. I don't know what else to say. I just look at it, dude. This is so crazy. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one where I am installing it. Peace.